This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel filter. Open the bonnet by pulling the lever in the driver's footwell and releasing the underbonnet catch. Remove the prop from the storage clip and position it to support the bonnet. Operate the fuel filler flap release located above the driver's footwell and unscrew the filler cap to release pressure in the system. To be able to access the fuel filter, it is necessary to remove the air cleaner assembly. First, unclip and remove the air cleaner trunking. Release the two clips and remove the air filter element housing. Unscrew and remove the air cleaner housing retaining bolt. Then release the clamp and disconnect the air outlet duct. Pull the air cleaner housing upwards from the mounting grommets. Then disconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug and unclip the wiring harness. Slacken the clamp and disconnect the air intake duct. Cover or plug the opening to prevent dirt ingress. Depress the clip and disconnect the water level sensor wiring plug from the top of the filter. Using a flat-bladed screwdriver, squeeze together the retaining tabs and remove the plastic cover from the top of the filter. Release the retaining clip securing the wiring harness to the cover. Release the wiring and hoses from the fuel filter crash protector as necessary. Then undo the two nuts and remove the crash protector from the filter bracket. Place a cloth under the fuel filter. Depress the release button each side and disconnect the fuel output pipe. Plug the opening to prevent contamination. Disconnect the fuel inlet pipe from the filter and plug the openings. Don't forget to remove the cloth. The fuel filter bracket is secured to the bulkhead by 3 nuts, 1 below the filter and 2 above. Withdraw the fuel filter, complete with the mounting bracket, from the bulkhead and remove it from the engine compartment. Slacken the mounting bracket clamp bolt and remove the filter from the bracket. Insert the new filter into the bracket, observing its correct orientation. Tighten the clamp bolt to secure the filter to the bracket. Locate the fuel filter and mounting bracket back in position on the engine compartment bulkhead. Refit the 3 retaining nuts and tighten them securely. Remove the plugs placed over the ends of hoses and connectors and reconnect both fuel pipes to their original positions on the filter. Refit the crash protector to the filter mounting bracket and secure with the 2 nuts. Reclip the pipes to secure them in position and refit the plastic cover over the fuel filter. Clip the wiring harness back into the cover. Reconnect the water sensor wiring plug. Remove the cloth from the air intake and refit the hose, aligning the mark on the hose with the mark in the intake. Tighten the hose clamp. Refit and connect the air cleaner housing, ensuring the bolt and clamp are tightened. Clip the wiring harness back into place. Replace the air filter element housing, securing it in position with the top and side clips. Then replace the air intake trunking. Refit the fuel filler cap.